In this video, we're going to learn how to create image masks only using CSS and HTML. It's so easy, so don't worry. Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Zara and I'm here to help you code better. First of all, I type exclamation mark and then press tab. This creates an HTML template for me, so I don't need to code it myself. Then I just delete some of them like meta and language. I don't need them. And then we go to the body section. Inside body, I create a divider with a class called image1 because we need it later. Then I create an image tag inside my divider with a source which I want to locate my picture with that. I have a picture called mypic.jpg, so I locate it. And now our work with HTML is finished and we need to go to the CSS, but I'm not going to use another file for my CSS, I mean my style. I'm just going to code them inside my HTML file. For using our CSS codes inside an HTML file, we need to go to the head section and create a tag called style. Inside the style tag, we can code our CSS. So I just call my divider by the class image1 and then I can style my divider. For that, I use a style called mask image and use URL to locate my masked images. So I have some images called mask 1 to 6, which they are all PNG, because for using mask image we only need PNG file, or you can use SVG because they shouldn't have background. If they have it, you can't see any mask. It will be only your image. So inside the URL, I just call one of my mask images, for example, the number 1 or maybe 6. And after that, we can see the result. The mask is affected on the image, so we can only see the part of image which has the mask. By changing the masks, I can see that some of the masks don't work very well. So it may happen that our mask image will be bigger than our original image or maybe smaller. But don't worry, we have a solution. For the time that our masked image is smaller than the original one, you can see that the mask is repeated because it's smaller. So for solving this problem, we can use the style called mask repeat. By this style, we can decide how to repeat our image, maybe sometimes vertical or horizontal. But now we just use the no repeat to stop our image from duplicating. As you can see, the problem solved. But if I change the mask pictures, you can see one of them is bigger than the original one. So in this situation, we can't use mask repeat anymore because the problem is different. For this situation, I can use another style called mask size. This style decides about the size of the mask. So if the mask is bigger, we can give it a smaller size and we can solve the problem. For example, here, I changed the size to 100% and as you can see, it's still bigger than my original one. So I change it to the 80%, but you can use percents or pixels, there's no difference. So we created a mask image and then told the mask to do not repeat and change the size to 80%. And now I have a perfect masked image. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and don't forget to check my channel. You can find more useful videos inside it.